Welcome to this presentation on energy efficient resource scheduling using optimization based neural network in mobile cloud computing. This research was conducted by Praveena Aki et al. And published in 15th May 2020. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Good morning, everyone. Today, we delve into the critical challenge of energy efficiency within mobile cloud computing. The proliferation of smartphones and data intensive applications, particularly video content, has exacerbated existing issues in MCC. Our theoretical gap lies in the limitations of traditional optimization methods, such as gradient based linear programming, which are often time consuming and prone to local optima when dealing with the dynamic and complex resource allocation problems in MCC environments. And then, we hypothesize that integrating meta-heuristic optimization, specifically an improved BAT algorithm, with advanced neural network architectures, both artificial neural networks and convolutional neural networks, can significantly minimize total power consumption while maintaining robust system performance. Our baseline assumptions include the inherent energy constraints of mobile devices and network infrastructure, the dynamic mobility of users, and the necessity for efficient resource allocation to meet quality of service demands without service interruption. Our methodology employs a two-pronged approach, integrating an improved BAT algorithm with both artificial neural networks and convolutional neural networks. For the artificial neural network, the core mechanism involves adjusting connection weights. Input signals are multiplied by these weights, summed, and then passed through an activation function to produce an output. The error signal is computed by subtracting the generated output from the desired target output. This error then drives the adjustment of weights, which are updated based on a learning rate coefficient. This process is iteratively refined to minimize a defined objective function, which, in our case, is the total power consumed. The total power consumed is the sum of power consumed by servers and power consumed by network switches, where switch power is further disaggregated into aggregation, core, and access switch power. To enhance this, we introduce an improved BAT algorithm. In this meta-heuristic, mobile users are conceptualized as bats searching for an optimal solution. Their velocities are updated based on their current velocity, their current position, the best position found so far, and a frequency parameter. Their positions are then updated using these new velocities. Crucially, the algorithm adjusts parameters like loudness and pulse emission rate as it converges, and we employ a fixed beta value of zero point 0.1 to prevent premature convergence to local optima, ensuring a global optimum search. For the convolutional neural network, the input data, such as an image recognition task, is processed through layers characterized by width, height, and depth. Filters are applied to capture spatial dependencies, followed by matrix multiplication. Pooling layers, specifically max pooling, are then used to reduce the spatial dimensions and computational load while effectively suppressing noise. The flattened output from these layers is then fed into a regular neural network for classification. The objective function for the convolutional neural network also aims to minimize total power, but it incorporates the spatial dimensions and filter applications inherent to its architecture in THE. The improved BAT algorithm is applied to this convolutional neural network framework in a similar iterative fashion until the objective function for power consumption is minimized. Our performance evaluation, conducted using the Green Cloud Simulator on a 3TIER data center topology, yielded compelling results. We tested the proposed algorithms against several reference schedulers, including random, round robin, green, dense, and heros, across both small homogeneous and heterogeneous network configurations. For homogeneous topologies, handling over 30,000 tasks, our convolutional neural network with BAT algorithm achieved a total power consumption of 0.274 kilowatts, closely followed by the artificial neural network with BAT algorithm at 0.282 kilowatts. In the more challenging, small heterogeneous topology with over 21,000 tasks, the convolutional neural network with BAT algorithm demonstrated superior performance, consuming only 0.181 kilowatts, while the artificial neural network with BAT algorithm consumed 0.196 kilowatts. This represents a substantial improvement. Specifically, the convolutional neural network with BAT algorithm further reduced power consumption by 33%, compared to the artificial neural network with BAT algorithm. Overall, our proposed optimization-based neural network approach achieved a remarkable 53.68% reduction in server energy consumption when compared to the Heroes algorithm, which is a state-of-the-art energy-efficient scheduler. Furthermore, we observed a 32% reduction in total power consumed when optimization was applied compared to non-optimized scenarios. Crucially, our system maintained a zero task failure rate, indicating robust performance and successful task processing within specified time limits. Error analysis showed an error rate of zero point 0.3 for the artificial neural network with BAT algorithm and an even lower 0.241 for the convolutional neural network with BAT algorithm. An analysis of power distribution revealed that 66% of the total power was consumed by network switches, with core switches accounting for 37%, access switches for 15%, and aggregation switches for 14%, while servers consumed the remaining 34%. The theoretical implications of our findings are significant. This work challenges existing models by demonstrating that evolutionary computation, specifically our improved BAT algorithm, when integrated with neural network architectures, offers a superior alternative to traditional gradient based optimization methods for energy efficient resource scheduling in mobile cloud computing. The ability to achieve substantial power reductions without sacrificing quality of service, evidenced by zero task failures, highlights the efficacy of meta heuristic approaches in complex, dynamic environments where local optima are a common pitfall for simpler algorithms. Our framework effectively addresses the increasing energy demands driven by data intensive mobile applications, particularly video, by optimizing resource allocation across both server and network infrastructure. This challenges the conventional focus solely on server side optimization, underscoring the critical role of network switches in overall energy consumption. This research contributes significantly to the future research frontier by providing a robust, adaptable framework for energy aware resource management. It validates the potential of combining biologically inspired optimization with deep learning for real world resource constrained systems. The success in heterogeneous environments further suggests its applicability across diverse and evolving MCC architectures, paving the way for more intelligent and sustainable mobile cloud services. The observed zero task failure rate under varying loads also implies a high degree of system stability and reliability, which is paramount for practical deployment. In conclusion, our core contribution to the field is the development and validation of an optimization based neural network method, specifically utilizing artificial neural networks and convolutional neural networks integrated with an improved BAT algorithm for energy efficient resource scheduling in mobile cloud computing. We have empirically demonstrated that this approach significantly minimizes total power consumption, achieving a 68% reduction in server energy compared to state of the art methods, while ensuring robust performance with zero task failures and improved error rates. This work provides a foundational step towards more sustainable and efficient mobile cloud infrastructures. Looking ahead, we identify several high level directions for future research. Firstly, we aim to extend this work to power optimization in full scale heterogeneous topologies, incorporating an even wider range of task sizes and complexities to rigorously test scalability and adaptability. Secondly, a crucial next step is to develop algorithms that not only optimize power consumption but also simultaneously minimize execution time, addressing the dual challenge of energy efficiency and performance latency. Finally, we envision exploring the integration of our framework with emerging technologies such as 5G networks and edge computing paradigms, which present new opportunities and challenges for distributed resource management and energy optimization.